Oh, another beautiful Monday for inside this country where we day. Anywhere where you day, Monday, now be this time. The time where everybody they squeeze face like in Chico. You understand? Where everybody they Bashali. Like give you one blow now, you die 7 times.
Forget it. See, this week now, week of going outside there to take what rightfully belongs to you. I am Bash Ali. I knock down 70. My sister, you say they use size, say they judge who go be fight or not. Forget it. Bash Ali for not the day this thing.
Oh my God! Oh God! And welcome all of now another beautiful day on top PADI where they come carry meeting on top Wazobia TV. So welcome to everybody where they join us on top this show today. We hope so now go get fun as usual, whether or whether not. You have fun or you don't have fun in our mind. You have fun, no? So if a better may just admit them now.
Compulsory
fun.
Compulsory.
That is all.
You must have fun.
Yes.
Yes. My song this morning. We are HAPPY. We know you. We are sure we are. We are HAPP. We are HAPPY. Happy.
We are HAPPY. We know you are. We are sure that you are. We are HAPPY. Happy.
All right, we welcome everybody. Come to PADI show. You know what we do? How not day? How everybody take enjoy their weekend on the weekend things. For me, the weekend they are very, very loner. Loner in the sense that me, I just marry my bed, I just stay there, I sleep well.
The rain will fall for inside Lagos on top Saturday. That rain was heavenly.
Oh, Lord.
It was a rain that was Bayale. It was a rain that was ministering to you.
The rain make me the
That is the kind of rain that you say, God, it has to be a boy. Ogbolo. That rain was so right.
That rain, very, very suggestive.
And then the weather was not very in accordance to the rain.
The rain, they like this.
It was ministry.
The weather God say, come.
Yes.
Come.
Rain, because they say,
come.
Oh, me to come.
Oh,
me to come.
Oh, Lele. That kind of rain. 9 months from now.
I'm telling you something.
Oh, you'll be seeing the
evidence.
Hey, evidence will be everywhere.
Yes.
Evidence will be everywhere.
Meanwhile, I want to say a very special thank you to my partner person. Her name is Nkechi for borrowing me this ring. This ring. And the person where they style us, Jennifer, she said she will not give me ring again.
Yellow Jennifer.
Yes, yellow Jennifer.
That is Jennifer Nabino.
As me, she stay for mama belly like that kind 10 extra minutes.
She for just ripe.
She for just
for ripe finish.
So you lucky say your mama do push you come out when she push. If not, now Nabino they carry place.
Straight away.
So Jennifer, Nkechi, thank you for borrowing me this ring. And then Esther, where they do hair, she borrowed me this earring.
Why you borrow up and down?
No verse.
My one, no be good thing,
No.
You know if you use borrow take start your week.
No, make I tell you the way. You know say I be star. So her ring and her earring now, it don't enter stardom. People now go they buy this kind of earring.
So she borrow you and she say make you help her advertise.
Make her help her advertise
but
her
you don't talk
earring.
borrow already. You don't talk borrow. You don't already mess up.
No. Be say you know say for where I come from, borrow mean different.
Where you come from?
London place.
from a London place. All right, book matches break. We dey come back to give a yarn the yarn, okay? You're in a London place.
All right, so we don't come back.
Wait till Maiwa, see your hair, Sha.
What's wrong with it?
You are going on a natural hair today. What's the excuse for the natural hair?
So there's this guy. You know, he's always a guy. Yeah. There's this guy. How you doing? His name na Lifey.
Okay.
At Lifey hair. You understand me? Now they do our hair for here. If that guy handle your hair, all the dead cell, your red blood cell in your hair, white blood cell, spinal cord, bone marrow, everything will come to life.
Even the hair there for your teeth.
I dey tell you this thing.
You go take care of
if this guy handle your hair, now he do my hair. You know use iron. He's just use comb and hand dryer. Comb and hand dryer, he make me like this. Like
I don't do. You don't do. Please, let's go and reading our yarn, please. Thank you very much. Oh yeah, now.
Pato ranking.
Gelio. Pray.
Yeah. That's why I say happy day. You don't come out now. They talk one interview where they do. In talk say say if you grow up in the ghetto like I grew up, if you are a ghetto person, where be say you did there, law. If you grow up there, say your options no plenty. It's either you make money the right way after plenty suffer, or you turn criminal. In talk say thank God for music with safer because in for be criminal.
Something to take you out of something where you don't find yourself.
And that's just 25 years old though. 25 years old guy. No. At your age, some people don't they get picking before they
25 years old.
That's some of these artists.
No, so not only football age day now. Music age self deal. So the whole thing guy today. So any which way you are 25, you are 42, you are somebody, and you are alive. But what they talked before just now, say God have given you something when you go fit a take to jump out of negative thinking. Because as you do like this, you have something for the inside of your body where God don't put it in the inside of you to make you discover purpose for inside your life. Am I preaching now? You understand me now? So this kind of thing like this, discover yourself inside yourself so you can take yourself out of negative self-thinking. Thank you very much.
I'm gonna when you barb your hair.
No, they talk this thing. Come on, continue this thing.
Come, when you...
No, my this thing, wait.
When did you cut it?
This thing where you do like this now, you don't say you go remain like this.
Why?
I tell you one thing, you get something where women they do to men.
I appreciate your
Shut up, you! Keep quiet.
They
talk. Shut up, you.
When they come and say, "Ugly baby,
yes,
buy me card, ugly baby."
No, if I see
ugly baby, you know they know.
Forget.
Me want be your mates now. I touch your hair, they talk rubbish.
Who they do me ugly baby? Who do me ugly baby?
Ugly baby. I touch your hair now. They do it.
You're not even romantic.
Because you don't even get
you're romantic.
Talk and I get auntie for the front, auntie romantic. Talk
me. You are anti-romantic.
What do you mean? Me like
everything about you. Just fight.
Very soon, maybe sometime tomorrow, I will give you romantic tips. If you try it anywhere, no man, your husband, he will stay there. Your boyfriend will stay there. Your fiancé.
You want to give us a romantic tip, now you never use her. Come up for here.
No, I don't use her, but they rebrand.
They rebrand. You are following my glasses now. Any which way, Elton John. Sacrifice. Sacrifice. Now, Elton John, mama. I said Elton John. Elton John. Mama turned 90 years old. But instead, make Elton John for two-face because she knows say this my pikin. I have not seen him in a long time since 2008. They never see eyeball to eyeball because they get some kind of small issue back then where the mama talk something about Elton John, husband. You know, say Elton John, now one of those men, we marry man. So the mama talk once about her husband, about Elton John husband. Wait, did you know sweet Elton John for belly at all? So they have come and they are quarreling together. Since 2008, they have not seen themselves highball to highball. Now the mama here do 90 years old birthday, so she know say her pikin have going on tour. Now me say they travel up and down here singing music here and then. You say my pikin, I know say you no go there around. So what mama can go do? Mama can go bring replica. Now me say one other man again we can resemble in pikin. Bring that one come. That one come for her birthday, celebrate. Sit down there. Now come they play piano. Ping, 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 ping. He sing the song like the way Elton John go sing him. He can still resemble Elton John. The mama say, since my pikin no day, make a cuckoo use person we can resemble and somehow.
Yeah.
You know, just to make her mind to come down and say, I know I get pikin somewhere, but this one can be the photocopy of my real pikin. And he sit down here and he do a music. Do you mind say, she said the whole thing sweet him. For her 90th birthday, is sweet time. Elton John, you are not coming for the birthday, but he send flower. Oh! If not for this country, you send flower to your mama, may flower kill you for that place.
No. No, don't be saying that.
Say you send the flower to your mama for 90-year-old birthday.
Flower will not, your mama will not do anything. She will just mistake and use and cook. See?
You better make no send flowers.
You go just mistake and use and cook.
Send ugu.
Because better you chop. What if people wake up the birthday then go chop inside the flour? You go say now one new ingredient where my pikin sell.
But nothing fear amount to say you see your pikin in the highball to highball. That one they make sense fast.
True.
But any which way.
Elton John, we don't know why you no come, but I beg, have a change of heart.
He are going on tour. You can escape from a tour thing. Show. Mama, if Mama die now at 91, how will you say you are going on tour?
Why you tight this matter to your
chest? It depends me because
now even me,
brother. No, even me, I dey get a heart for old people. You understand? It dey pain me somewhere in my heart. For old people, you have to have something.
Now you never get something in your heart for me. No, sir, I don't.
You come up for that. This thing.
You don't
mind
you old. But your head is shining, no.
Yes.
Now make me notice this head where you.
It dey reflect all these lights when inside.
You rub pomade on top.
My sister. As like
I've been a rub because
not to shine now. How they make them be like?
Your brain they shine. I didn't see your skull inside the head.
It means say I'm not dull. You know, when they ask Banky W, what happened to your big head? He said only people will get big head, not get big brains. Now say they think where. All right. More match break for you. Go back and we'll come back from this break and we'll continue with everyone top here and the yarn. All right. Someone don't go anywhere. They come back. Old song. Roll me, na 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 na. Yeah. Roll me. When I love me, they talk about something. Now that time when they sing all those informer.
You just show your age now.
I want to
you just show your age.
We don't tell.
Now. My God, you are old.
we don't.
I'm supposed to dedicate one day to you, old school day, only for you.
We are old fowl, old meat. For guys say this face, so we have stayed in the ministry. It's just in my family that we look younger than our age. I'm going to continue with this. Time not day.
All right, make I continue the giving at the second gist on top of the year. Now, this particular one, when I remember this guy where they've been in jail since February, then put him for back of counter without bail for they talk, say they allege him with murder, say the guy hit and run some people for inside restaurants. Now, this particular person that such night, when I go remember that guy, if not they follow all this Obodo Ibo story where. Now, this particular guy, when they do another trial, now they say, okay, then go set him bail for the attempted murder charges where then accuse him of which this guy, they carry murder charges. They come since from 1989, I think, because if you don't say where the guy don't get, yes, 1987, sorry. You don't say where the guy don't get some kind of records of some kind of hit and run. You know all those kind of things then.
Yes.
One night the judge can't rule him, can't talk, say, okay. Say, you see the guy, a rapper, and a popular rapper. Everybody sabi this guy.
Now the guy, don't take since for this.
You don't say.
You don't say. Like all of them Tupac, them Biggie.
Yes.
He be the gross over them that year.
Yes. Now, for this particular one, if they not set this bail, in fee go jail of 75 years. Okay. But the bail where they set for them, they set a bail of...
Talkie.
They set a bail of $25 million. As the guy here, $25 million, he just faint. Boom. Now so he fall.
But he get that kind of money before.
He
get them plenty.
Oh, that year.
Now he get them away with that time. Now, because I remember I said they even talk to himself, blessing himself key to pack. That time. Now all of them now.
That year they be cabal.
Yeah, they be cabal now. Well, time don't reach where.
So as my guy here said, they set bail of $25 million. Now my guy faints. Now the judge say, oh, if you like faint from now to next year, April 13 they go still continue the hearing, irrespective of your health. Now I mean lawyer will be Matt Fletcher. Matt Fletcher say, come on, that is a ridiculous. Come on. That is a ridiculous bail amount. What's wrong? See where ambulance can't carry him as he faint for court.
But yeah, if you don't faint, they'll pour you pure water.
You know, say, wake up. That hit and run when they say you do for one fast food restaurant. One particular attorney, it be like say he died for the process. One guy, what's his name again? Terry Carter or something like that, in die, and then one other one sustained injury. Plus plenty things the way they don't they allege. The whole,
the pile up they come.
Yeah.
Whoop. Any which way, that one there, more leave that particular issue. So nice. Time don't reach way, they go pay person back for any badness he did.
Now so now, what goes around, my
because
brother?
This particular guy, in name don't come up since. So person time don't finally reach now for them to face the whole thing. Now, for my own story, final. If you're outside there and you are in a marriage and God bless you with Peking, gently, just thank God.
Be grateful.
Be very, very grateful. Even if you don't even do, I'm saying inside marriage itself, say you're going to go enter, but mistake won't know ever say make you just be grateful. Because this particular woman, now for Obodo Yubo, her name na Iga Adelina. Yeah? Adeline just look, say, man, all the men where they meet for this life, they are very immature. And men these days, they behave like small children everywhere. So what she just want to do now, say, she just go for Facebook, just put them for there, boom.
She fine,
She dey find any man where go fit give am belle for 350 pounds, just give me belle and go. You understand?
So, baby.
Wait first, now make I allow the gist finish. What's wrong about you?
What are you waiting for, my guy?
Don't see where men call they respond. I'm interested. And this one now I say, come and enjoy yourself, and I will pay you on top. But she can't talk say if she can't get the belle, you go hand over all the rights to be parents to her. At the same time, you go come out for the whole thing.
Nothing concern you and the pikin.
Nothing concern you and the pikin.
You don't sell your
birthright.
Pikin.
You sell everything. Sharply, one guy send this thing, say, I will do it without the money. No pay me. Make I just do am. Baby, you hot. See, the girl a fine girl. And I was saying, I'm interested. Where, when, how, for what? Yeah? You go fear men.
Oh, but I just say that you not send that where, when, how.
No. See, free thing like this, where they come pay you on top, if they get come out way.
Sure?
If you don't work for it, you are not going to appreciate it. So these men, I trust men, and they go line up.
Oh, but you know, say for that Obodo Yibo place, do you know how much work you go do before you get 350 pounds?
And that one, they see, make I tell you, originally for this part now, you do that thing already. Nobody they pay you. Now they even pay the girl. Now, because for you now you go see do the thing. Now you go see buy a shawarma for the girl.
Out of experience.
You just still give the girl money for a cinema. You still give the girl money for a hair. You still give the girl money for a taxi.
I like you.
But this one now.
You dey use your experience, they explain things.
No be experience.
No, na experience.
No, now when I was in the
because if not be experience.
I dey watch her for whole video self. Nobody was wrong with this girl. But this one now, you go do the thing, they go still pay you 350 pounds. No man, we died there. And
the girl can't find.
She can't find.
With no possibility of body or mouth or dog.
Blah, blah, blah. But say this particular one, you must do this test first. They go test you whether you go fit. You know, one picking. All right, so for your match break on top of all the gist for Yan the Yan, we'll take this video on top laugh the laugh. After the video, we'll come on match for the whole
yes,
team. No
don't
picture.
Forget, say no if you follow us for Twitter, no vex ogbe. Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia PADI. Follow us for YouTube, youtube.com/Wazobia PADI. Yeah, we did there for you live and direct. So I beg, just video because we like say we don't over yarn today. So let's go there.
Knock it on the video. Boom. The guy on the clean another motor for hours.
For inside cold with all the snow. He pay me for him.
That means you go start again from beginning. Hey, yeah, sorry.
Sorry.
All right, we thank everybody who joined us on top of the show today. Say biggest thank you to everybody. Just like we talked for the beginning of the show, the way it is start the week, now we go determine how plenty things go happen for the week. So make sure say this week you go outside there, put smile for person face today. So throughout this week, you will be somebody where they bring, a joyful something to somebody. And the election you are coming up.
Be careful. Be careful. I go talk this one. I take God's name, beg you. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family, your children, your brothers, sisters, parents. Check up on everybody where you feel check up on. I beg. And you, self, try to caution. No, they stay for any place anyhow. No, they waka anyhow. No, they do anyhow. Stay for your lane. We take God's name, beg you, this particular election period. And I beg, no put your happiness for somebody's hand. Because the day where the person go do you strong thing, you go one die.
Experience the talk, experience.
I know it's not the talk.
Experience.
I tell you out of experience.
Experience something.
Shut up. He never do you.
At Wazobia PADI.